let's talk about MNT, especially right now. We've on the daily chart, we've destroyed the trend line. We've went below the trend line, and that was a week ago. We retested it, and at any point we can go down to 85 cents, which is an area a lot of people are looking towards to add some shorts too. I will be interested in buying the dip on the way down for MNT. But the issue is that for a lot of these pairs, somehow, in some way, you cannot find the liquidity pair, the liquidity area. Some pairs, because they name changed like 5 times, like Polygon Matic, but sometimes it's just for random reasons. So MNT right now, I'm a little bearish on it, and I would mostly be interested in taking positions to the downside from here. And at any point, if we have a pump above, I would also be taking shorts because we will be retesting the 200 EMA plus. We'll take out these weak highs. We are in a confirmed downtrend. I know you might not like it, but to actually have a good accumulation, we'll need to go to this area right here, and I'll mark it on the chart for you. It's kind of fair value gap, but not just that, it's also an accumulation area. So we have a few of these. We have this right here, and in general we want to see price going towards this level right here, the 97 to a dollar cent area. If you want to learn more about my strategy, there will be links in the description down below. We are up 262 grand on VOOX, over 28 grand on this new wallet if it decides to load up, 28 grand. So if you want to follow my trades, if you want to learn from me, I've made my course very cheap. I'll update it with new stuff, so definitely do check it out. All the links will be in the description down below. Love you with all my heart. This video is no financial advice. See you next one.